Morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning. It is dreary and kind of cold. See? It's like 47 degrees. It's almost June. It's 47 degrees. And it's kind of just like this mist is falling. So it's going to be a good day for an auction. It's partially outdoors.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, Ew, this looks terrible.
Hey! So we had to call an audible the last minute. We pulled up to this auction that we were going to, and there was a lot of people there. Like a lot. And so we changed our mind, and now we're at a different auction. This one's inside, so we'll at least be dry. So we're in East Palestine, Ohio, at an auction. This could go either way.
It could.
It really could.
Could go good, it could go bad.
Yeah. There's a lot of like Hallmark ornaments. There's some video game stuff. There's some like Barbies. There's, what else is there? All right, great. So there's
video games, Barbies, Hallmark. I mean, that's really basically, like, there's some other toys. There's some, you know that little dinosaur? Baby Sigmund or whatever from the TV show Dinosaurs that says, "Knock down mama." You know that one?
Yeah.
That's in there.
Okay. So there's some cool stuff. I don't know how much I'm going to film in here. I'm going to try. But I probably will just be kind of a highlight reel of what we can get or what we get. So, and then when we get back to the house, we'll show you kind of what we got. If anything, we might show you an empty table.
$70. Number 143. Right, 143.
All right, we're back home. We've got quite the mix of stuff here. Probably our weirdest haul yet. So first thing we're going to start with is this. This is a McDonald's. There's a cat. This is a McDonald's Fisher-Price toy set. It's like a drive-through. I'm going to put some sold comps up of what this is actually worth, because you will not believe what it's worth. It's not complete, but it's one of the few I've seen with the box. And the actual toys in here. And then there's some accessories on the table we'll show you in a second. So here's the rest of it here. And we're just going to go over some of this with... All right. So, as I drop things. So, it's our first auction. So some things here, we paid up a little more than we should have. But, good learning experience for us. Anyways, here are some random cards. These are basketball cards and some pretty cool football cards. I'll just kind of flip through them for you guys so you can see who they are. I primarily bought them for this one. Not this one, but maybe. And this one. So, don't know if I'm going to hang on to them, send them to get graded. Not sure yet. Moving along, bought some graded cards. This one's actually going to stay in my collection. I don't have a Jordan, and this one's not worth too much money, but it will be someday. Tiger Woods. This is one of Tiger Tail, Tiger Woods. Value, it's a pretty decently valued card. It's you know, not the most expensive, but probably between, I don't know, 25 and 30 bucks for it as it is. Got some Beavis and Butthead DVDs here. These are worth probably $15 for all three of them. I don't think we paid too much for these. This was the learning curve for us. So as you saw when that video I had that just kind of panned over the auction, there was tons and tons and tons of Hallmark ornaments. And when they started bidding, we thought they were bidding in two. So when you bought it, you had to pick two. Now we thought you'd get two for the price that you bid for, but that was wrong. It was actually two per the price you bid. So if you bid $30, this one was $30 and this one was $30. So we kind of spent more than we should have on some of these. I mean, some of these are worth some money, not a whole lot. Like these two we're probably going to sell together, just because, you know, they're both Star Wars. We'll probably sell these two together because they're both Disney, and then obviously those two because they're Peanuts. But I think in this section we're probably going to just break even. This came in the box with all the McDonald's accessories. I'm gonna actually look it up and see if it's worth something. It's got Michael Jordan on it. I don't know if it's worth anything or not, but I thought you guys would find that kind of funny. It's an old Michael Jordan frisbee from a fitness fun challenge from McDonald's. So, and then next are these, what are these called? Caddington Village?
Yeah, I don't know. There's some kind of like Christmas villages. They're
Christmas villages. They're worth between $20 and $30 a piece. Right there. And we got a ceramic cookie jar. It's actually a jukebox. Sarah didn't pay much for this shit. I think she only paid about $6 for it. And you think it's worth right around 20. Another toy. This is an old truck. It's a Buddy L truck. It's actually metal. I haven't yet to really look it up. But it is Japanese made. It's Buddy L, so it should be worth a decent amount of money. I didn't pay much for it. I think I paid $6 for it. So moving along here. Thanks. Moving along, here's all the rest of the accessories to this McDonald's thing we have. Now, I'm going to put up some sold comps for you just from the accessories. Like this and this are worth money alone. This and this it actually has, let's see if I can get this open with one hand. There we go. This actually has the chicken nuggets in it. They're worth money all by themselves, just these accessories. But I think we're going to sell it all as a lot, but I'm not 100% on that as of yet. But and this, I don't think actually came with it. This it's like an old cheeseburger wrapper from McDonald's wrapped. It's like somebody wrapped it up for their kids to play with. But so it's not all here, but most of it is. Like this sells separately for decent money. The fries sell for separately for decent money. The cups, the visor, we're going to have to go through and figure it out. But I think what we're going to do is just sell it all together. Makes a little more sense. The instruction manuals with it too. So that's pretty cool. We got a bunch of Barbies. These are all new in box Barbies. They're probably each worth about 20, 25 bucks a piece. Got some Star Wars toys. These were towards the end of the auction, and I just kind of bid on them because they were only $5 a piece. I expect to only make maybe double my money on all these. Sarah got this vase because nobody was bidding on it. And she thought it was cool looking. So I think what'd you get it for? $6? $2. This is a Pound Puppy house. It's got a dog bowl in it. A little heart dog bowl. And there's a bone back there. You can see it. That's worth actually about like 25. Yeah, $20.
We only spent $2 on that too.
Yeah, that was a cheap one. Towards the end of the auction. All right, guys. And that's it. We expect this to be pretty good for us. So keep an eye out for the solds on all of these. And yeah, that's it. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep asking until everybody does. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!